What advice would you offer to students who are considering entering a teacher-student relationship?
As we talked right in the beginning, they should really see what kind of motivation they have. Are they looking for a companion? Are they looking for a father figure? Are they looking for someone to talk to? Or are they really, really genuinely interested in the enlightenment of not only oneself but also others?
Okay.
This is difficult, yes. Even if you are semi-interested, I think is fine. I mean, we have to settle with that. Because in this degenerated time, genuinely interested in, okay, let's put it this way. You are interested in having companion. You are interested in having some kind of father figure. You are interested in having some kind of a club that you want to belong, to be member of. But then there's also a wish to enlightenment. I think that will do. But you know, sometimes you have all of that and this enlightenment business doesn't exist in your, sort of motivation. That's a danger.
And when you use the word enlightenment, can you clarify again what we're talking
Wishing
about?
to get out of the samsara. Wishing to really get rid of your own ego, your own hang-ups. Wishing really to get out of this net of delusion. That should be there at least once in a while, once in a while. And I think that will do.